So this is where we get to, and then right at the top here, then couples that sort of almost wake up or get to rock bottom, as it were, and go, hey, we've got to do something. We don't know what's going on. We don't know how to fix things, and how do we get to be this this way. So when people come and see me, all right, I don't go back to this past here, right, to talk stuff, talk about the issues that sort of were on this path. Because usually when they come in to see me, couples are very emotionally compromised. And if they've got an issue that brought them into counselling, then I usually sort of say, hey guys, can we just pin it? Just pin it. Because at the minute, you're too emotionally compromised to be able to even look at that. And then I sort of, say that, look, this is the trajectory you were on.